Are you a complete beginner and you want to make money online? If that's the case, then this video is for you. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below on the comment section saying I subscribed, and I will get back to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you. Let the sound begin. To the $1 challenge to making affiliate commissions in 30 days. You heard me right. I've came up with this amazing challenge where my goal is for you within 30 days make commissions promoting affiliate products. That's right, if you are a complete beginner and you never done a commission online, then this is for you. You see, the problem with promoting products online and why most people fail when they start, including myself, I was doing the same mistake for 6 months. It's promoting a product directly, sending the link to somebody to sign up or putting the link somewhere on a website. That doesn't work. That might work back in the days, but today the conversion rate is 0.1, less than 1%. It does not work. That's why I've came up with the solution, the $1 challenge. With $1 of your investment for 30 days, I will give you the products to promote, and I will give you the funnels and how you can go about it to promote. Done for you, so you can go ahead and start promoting. And I'm gonna give you the free traffic sources it's gonna blow up and make sure that you make money promoting products. Now you can promote any products with this strategy, but I will give you the products, what products to promote that are really working right now. And I'm gonna walk you step by step. By the way, you have nothing to lose with this challenge, because the $1 you're gonna be investing, if for some reason you don't make your money back within 30 days, I will completely refund your $1 back to your credit card. This got to be the best thing that I've put up so far, because this is so simple to follow that a 11 years old could do this. You just have to follow the videos that I have in there, the steps necessary. And I want to invite you to be part of the $1 challenge to making affiliate commissions in 30 days. Below this video, I'm gonna have the link for the challenge. Click on the link, follow the steps, and let's get started. I'm very excited for this, guys. So join right now the challenge, get in, and I'll see you in there. I hope this will really help you get to your goal, which is make your first commission on the internet. And then my goal for you is to keep you long term and just keep going and keep doing the same process over and over, and getting commissions over and over again. That's my goal for you. So with that said, thank you so much. Don't forget to give it a like on this video, and if you did not like the video, give it a thumbs down. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that wants to make their first commission online, they want to start to make money online, please share this video link with them so they can go ahead and give it a start. I mean, for $1, it's a no-brainer for $1. You're getting all of this. And by the way, nothing else. You're not paying for nothing else. Just $1, and you can promote products completely for free, and I give you the training on how to do it. And this is 100% beginner friendly. So share it with somebody that really needs it. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time for being here with me. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. And I hope to see you next time here on the channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I'll be here on the next video. Cheers, and have a blessing day.